Hello everyone, today I'm very excited to share with you an unboxing of my new Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. And here it is. Now I did purchase this Speedy from a shop called Komehyo here in Japan, and I did purchase it secondhand. I kind of wanted to give secondhand shopping a go. But I'm very excited to share it with you and unbox it with you, so let's just get it open and take a look. So of course, as you can see, it came in the Komehyo shopping bag, not the Louis Vuitton shopping bag. But I was very lucky to be able to get the Louis Vuitton box, so I'm very excited about that. Okay, bag has a little sticker on the handle. I'm just going to peel it open and pull the box out of the shopping bag. And inside is my receipt and some other details from Komehyo. I'm just going to set this aside. And now we have our Louis Vuitton box with the Speedy inside. Oh my gosh, so excited. And there is the dust bag. Just going to get it out of the dust bag. Set the box aside. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. Now, I do believe this is a pretty new model. I do think it's sold out on the Japanese Louis Vuitton site, but it might be available in your country. But I do think it's pretty new. I think it came out this summer as part of the By the Pool collection. So when I saw it secondhand on Komehyo's site, I just knew I had to get it right away. So I did actually order it from the Nagoya store, and then I shipped it to my local store where I went and picked it up. Very, very beautiful. Oh, I love that denim. So I do believe this Speedy is 100% cotton, and then they've woven in the monogram pattern, and then it's bleached and then stone washed. So that's what gives it this really beautiful vintage texture. It looks kind of weathered, kind of Western, and it looks so pretty with the leather handles. Very, very pretty. I was actually looking at a lot of other vintage denim pieces, so I was very happy to add this to my collection. I do wish I had it earlier this summer so I could enjoy it all summer, but I'm really happy to have it this fall. So let's just crack it open and take a look inside. Oh, and there are here's my strap. This is the longer crossbody strap that comes with it. I'll set this aside as well. And also in that matching leather. And you know what? I think I'm actually seeing a little bit of plastic still on the gold hardware. So it's really in amazing condition. It's honestly like new. This is really quite amazing for being secondhand. Now, the longer crossbody strap isn't really my style. Of course, I'm very happy to have it, but I probably won't be wearing it with the bag, so I'm just going to set it aside. It is very nice to have. And oh my gosh, it's so cute, the little gold details. Now, one of my favorite details is actually, oh, here we are. our little card is actually on the inside. I do not know if you can see it, but the inside, the bag is lined with a slightly different monogram pattern. It is such a cute detail. And let's see here. This bag was made in France. How lovely. Oh my gosh, it's so, so darling. I'm really going to enjoy it all fall. How lovely. And I'm just so happy to finally have a denim piece in my collection. Really is so cute. I love it. Now, I really don't know if it's big enough to hold my phone. It might be a pretty tight fit for the iPhone, but I am sort of a sucker for the mini bag. Now, I do want to say there are a lot of different shops you can try secondhand shopping at. This shop is from Komehyo. I mean, this bag is from a shop called Komehyo, but you could try other shops. I think there's like Brandoff, Recycle King. There's a lot here in Japan. Secondhand shopping is definitely very fun. It can still be fairly luxurious. There's quite a lot of, you know, new different things being offered. So if you're ever in Japan, I definitely recommend giving secondhand shopping a go. I really had an excellent time. I thought Komehyo was very nice, very helpful. The service was excellent, and this bag is truly in astounding condition. It's like new. I'm quite surprised. I'm very excited to enjoy it for the rest of the fall and just have it as a part of my Louis Vuitton collection. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and would like to see just other unboxing videos, I sort of sporadically upload, but I'm always very happy to share with you. Again, thank you so much for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll be sure to drop a little extra footage afterwards of the bag close up. Thank you. Bye.